The Apple Bandai Pippin, stylized PiP P. N, is a multimedia technology console, designed by Apple Computer. The console was based on the Apple Pippin platform, a derivative of the Apple Macintosh platform. Bandai produced the ATMARK and AT-World consoles between 1995 and 1997. The goal of the Bandai Pippin was to create an inexpensive computer aimed mostly at playing CD-based multimedia software, especially games, but also functioning as a thin client. The operating system was basically a stripped version of System 7.5.2, and was based on a 66 MHz PowerPC 603 processor and a 14.4 KB per second modem. It featured a 4-speed CD-ROM drive and a video output that could connect to a standard television display. Marketing: in Japan, Bandai produced Pippin-based systems called the Pippin ATMARK. Most of the ATMARK systems used the same platinum color used on many of the Apple Macintosh models at the time. In the United States and most parts of Europe, Bandai named the system the Bandai Pippin AT-World. The AT-World had the same specifications as the Pippin ATMARK, but ran an English version of Mac OS. Most of the Western systems used a black color. History: Bandai manufactured fewer than 100,000 Pippins, but reportedly sold 42,000 systems before discontinuing the line. Production of the system was so limited, there were more keyboard and modem accessories produced than actual systems. In May 2006, the Pippin placed 22nd in PC World's list of the 25 worst tech products of all time. Software Japan Very little software was produced for the Japanese version on release in early 1995. While some promised software may not have been released, the number that was released is less than 80 games and applications. USA When Bandai released the US version, it had only 18 games and applications sold separately, and 6 CDs came with the Pippin itself. Upgrades to the Pippin browser were released as a new CD over time, and so was an update to TV Works. Anime Designer, Dragon Ball Z, Scene Noir, Compton's Interactive Encyclopedia, Cool Crafts, Exotic Sushi, Gadget, Invention, Travel, and Adventure, Gundam Tactics, Mobility Fleet 0079, Gus Goes to Cyberopolis, Gus Goes to the Cookie Carnival in Search of Rand, Home Improvement 1-2-3, Cat's Pippin Demo CD 2.0, Lasmana's Deer Hunter, Move Oak Mr. Potato Head Saves Veggie Valley, Navigator, The Journeyman Project, Pegasus Prime, Power Rangers Zeo vs. The Machine Empire, Play School Puzzles, Play-Doh Creations, Racing Days, Shockwave, Invasion Earth, 2019, Super Marathon, Terra TRAX. TV Works. Accessories: Applejack Controller, Applejack Wireless Controller, Apple Bag Tickler Vibrating Controller, Apple Blaster Light Gun, Pippin Keyboard with Drawing Tablet, Pippin Modems, Pippin Memory, Pippin Floppy Dock, Pippin MO 256 MB Optical Disc, Pippin ADB Adapter, Pippin to Macintosh Adapter. Printers: Pippin can use the Apple Color Style Writer 2400 and 2500 series through its serial port. See also, Apple TV, Apple Interactive Television Box. References. External links: Apple's original Pippin site, Cat's Media Mission Statement on the Pippin, Bandai Pippin Museum and Archive, including PDF technical notes, overview, Pippin's screenshots, the Computer Chronicles coverage of CES 1996, including Apple's demonstration of the Pippin, Gil Amelio's gold finish Pippin at the Computer History Museum, Top 10 Apple products that flopped.